I'm here.
I'm Charlie Beige. Wait, I'm Charles Dark Beige.
This is day
Why would you do that?
972.
No littering's wrong.
What are you going to do with it?
Call the cops. You're under arrest.
Ooh, attachment to the back of the car. Okay, enough silliness. Get off of me, you weirdo.
Let's move on to day 10.
Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. He's Dave.
I'm Charlie. Charlie Dark Beige.
He's Dave.
I'm Nick.
I'm
Dave.
so glad that one of my kids knows their name. So, Nick, Dave, or Charlie,
Nick.
or Goofball, or whatever.
Carlos.
Yep, that's us. DIY Dave and Company. We are working our way through the Lego City Advent Calendar this year. And we are on day
10.
10. 10. We're on day 10. We're on day 10. So day 10 means that it is Dave's turn. So stick around. It's always exciting.
Why would you do that? Don't
All right,
you know littering's
Dave.
wrong?
It is your turn. Make it happen, my friend. Looking for day 10 on our calendar here. Way up in the corner there.
It's a hospital.
He's building the hospital, finally. We can do something with all these broken hockey players.
They're all giving out. Their hearts keep giving out.
So we got a hockey player with a mask and a hockey player police officer. Oh,
And
she died. But he's going to
Hold
get
on,
her.
no scenario. Oh wait, I need the instructions.
Instructions.
Didn't push her body and her legs in far enough.
Okay, what is it that they're sticking on the side of the hospital?
A hairbrush?
It is not a hairbrush. I guess we'll have to see in a minute.
Popsicle.
A trophy?
Screwdriver.
It's Doctor Who's screwdriver.
Doctor Who. Doctor Who is not a real doctor. He's not
No,
a medical doctor.
but he does have a screwdriver. So how's it going over there, Dave? Is the hospital almost ready for patients?
Looking a bit flat.
We've got a police officer that fell off the side of a box.
Then why is he standing? He's doing fine. He's on crutches.
Where'd he get crutches from? He didn't have a hospital to go to.
He still needs to pay the hospital bill. That's why I'm building the hospital.
Oh, okay, so he can be billed.
You know, that's a pun in and of itself, considering this is Lego we're talking about.
Wait, I don't think... Oh. We have another patient.
No, she's getting away. Oh no.
According to the front of the box, they apparently build the hospital close to the hockey game. So they've got it like over here on the railroad tracks.
This is your hospital. Your hospital.
Okay, so we have a hospital?
Huh? No, we don't. Wait, hold on. Oh, we really don't know. That's a syringe.
Is that a syringe?
That's a syringe. That's a syringe.
Hey, that actually makes sense. Almost as much sense as, you know, it's, well, unlike the hairbrush on the bus stop, that just... I still don't understand that.
Hey, police officer. Go to hospital. His heart gave out.
Oh, well. So the hospital's first patient didn't make it.
Darn. And his heart's still giving out.
So come back tomorrow to find out, does the hospital get sued or not?
And will his heart stop giving out? And he just locked a hockey stick.
Will the police officer be revived?
Does Betty get away? The answer is yes.
You shouldn't tell the answer. How are you supposed to?
Did she just jump off the cliff?
You're supposed to leave it hanging like they do in soap operas. You know, what will happen next?
It's not over till the fat lady sings. And
is there a fat lady in this? Oh, there's Santa. That's close enough.
That's the fat man.
Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see. Tomorrow, right here on DIY Dave, Nick will be opening day number 11.
No, her heart gave out.
Day ain't right. I'm sorry.
Day 8.
I don't know how they turned out that way.
Day 8 again?
See y'all later. Have a great day. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Adios!
Okay.